What's up YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your window position sensors on an R56 Mini Cooper. I'm going to be using this Foxwell 510 Elite scan tool. I'll leave a link to this in the description. It pays for itself pretty much every time you use it. So if you have a problem where every time you open your door and your window drops down to clear your rain gutter, when you go to close it, if it doesn't go back up, and it's a lot of times what will happen is it'll keep going down and get lower and lower every time you open your door. You need to reset your window position sensor. And that's what I'm about to show you how to do. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. The first step is going to be plugging the OBD2 plug on your scanner into your OBD2 port on your car. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so underneath your steering column, you're going to see this little plug right here. You're just going to pull that out. And that actually covers up where this plugs in. So this part will be facing the center of the car. Okay, so once you plug it in, it'll turn on. You'll see right there where it says BMW. It's backwards for me, but you should be able to see it. You're going to want to put this outlined square, this first one, over that by pressing this button. And now that that's outlined, you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit enter. So now it knows it's on BMW. And then it's BMW Mini or Rolls Royce. I don't know if my camera will focus. See if it does. You're going to want to put it on the middle one, which is Mini, by hitting this button right here. It'll put it on Mini. And then hit enter. I'll find it. Hit enter again. Now it says either Smart VIN or manual selection. I'm going to use Smart VIN. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter again. So now it's going to be reading my VIN number and all that. Okay, once it detects your VIN, it'll put it up right there. And if it's correct, go ahead and press F3 for complete. Now it just tells you that it has all your stuff, and you're going to hit F3 again for yes. Now it's going to load. Won't make you watch. It'll show you a graph telling you how fast it's loading, or how far along the load is. Okay, and then once it gets done loading, you're going to put it on service, which is the bottom setting. Again, you're just going to use that arrow to put it on the bottom setting, and then press enter to be on service. Then it's going to say maintenance, drive, chassis, or body. Okay, once you get to these four settings, you're going to want to put it on body by using this bottom arrow. And then once it's on body, go ahead and hit enter. Then it's the very top setting is locking and security functions. Go ahead and hit enter again on that. Then it's going to say, it's going to give you three functions. Sliding, tilting sunroof, remote control key, and power windows. You're going to go to power windows. Then hit enter. Oops, I didn't hit enter. Now it's going to say switch on terminal 15, which is just means put your key fob in the ignition. Do not start your car. Hit the start stop button, but if you have an automatic, don't press the brake, and if you have a manual, don't press the clutch. Just hit the start button. Make sure your stereo is off if you're filming. And then go ahead and hit F3. Now it says, please wait, loading data. Okay, I'm not going to read this whole thing to you, but what it basically says to make sure your battery's fully charged or have a battery monitor on it. My battery's fully charged. I drove my car an hour to get here. And go ahead and hit F3. Make sure your doors and windows are closed when you start this process. And go ahead and hit F3. Now it's select power window. It's going to be driver's door, passenger door, or end service function. We're going to do one, so we're going to hit enter. Let's see if it does anything when I hit enter. Okay, it says, do you want to start the installation of the driver's door power window? The window will be opened and closed. And then it says F3 for yes. That's what you're going to want to hit. And as you can see, it's rolling my window down. Now it's rolling my window back up. Okay, it says once the initialization I can't even talk. Once the initialization procedure is complete, check whether you can open and close the driver's door window in automatic mode without fault occurring. One-touch control function. That means that you want to be able to just press this button once and have the window roll down. If you can hear, my window does, and then it rolls back up. So since that works, I'm going to go ahead and hit F3 again. And now I'm going to do the same thing that I just did, except now I'm going to go to the second window, number 2. I'm going to scroll over and hit enter for number 2 for the passenger window. And it says you want to start the process for the passenger door window. So I'm going to go ahead and hit F3. Can't really show you. So that one's rolling down. Now it's going to roll back up. So once it's done, check to make sure it works. So hit the button again like I did on the driver's side. Totally works. And then now I'm going to go ahead and hit F3 again. And now it says end service function. That's the third one. Go ahead and hit it on enter. At that point, you're done. If you have any more questions about Mini Coopers, go to my Facebook group. It's called Mini Cooper DIY. I'll leave a link to that in the description, along with the link to where you can get this scan tool. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next video.